How to cancel Quizlet Plus before the trial ends. Canceling your Quizlet Plus before trial or before the 7-day or 30-day window expires is the best way to ensure you aren't charged the annual or monthly fee. What you need is, if you've signed up on website, you want to log into your account through or at quizlet.com. Once you're logged in, you then need to tap the profile at the very top right corner of the screen. Then you want to go to settings from the list. As you go to settings, you want to scroll down to manage subscription section. And once you are in this section, you want to select cancel auto renewal. Then you just have to follow the prompt until you receive a confirmation message. And if you've signed up via Apple or iOS or an app store, then you just want to open up settings on your iOS device, locate or tap on the profile initials or your Apple ID or iCloud ID at the very top of the screen. Go to subscriptions and find Quizlet in the list. And then you could go ahead and cancel free trial or cancel subscription. And for the Android user, if you've used Google Play, you just want to go to your app's Play Store, tap the profile initials and go to payment and subscriptions. Here you want to go to subscription section. So this is where you are supposed to cancel your membership. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.